This 2025 Alliance RV Delta Ultra Lite RK234 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Franklinville, North Carolina, 27248 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart, Asheboro. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Alliance RV is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.